Hello, welcome to Mother of Grom. This time out, we're going to be making the DeLorean cosplay costume with Doctor Emmett Brown using 1.21 gigawatts.
1.21 gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts! Please, God!
The build time on this was about 8 hours, with both me and my wife taking part. Like so many costumes, you start with a big box from China. Mark out your best two-dimensional DeLorean outline, replicate, and cut both out. I actually doubled up the cardboard on both sides and added cardboard struts for rigidity. I actually had some packaging polystyrene which I used throughout the build. Here they were used to hold rolled and bound cardboard tubing on which the DeLorean was suspended on some cord. To fasten these to the sides, I used a hot glue gun. Okay, if you want to go back to the future, you have to move into the third dimension, so at this point we start working on the width of the vehicle. Cutting, strengthening and securing lengths of card and attaching to the two sides. I was lucky enough that the bottom of the box formed the front of the DeLorean bonnet. Using this strengthening method and moving from the front to the back, yes, that is a DeLorean tattoo, I managed to make the structure sturdy, but was mindful to leave enough space for a mini Dr. Emmett Brown. Use that packaging foam creatively to start making up the trunk of the DeLorean, something like that. It really was looking like a DeLorean at this point, although it didn't fit adults. Unfortunately, I didn't capture any video of me painting the DeLorean, so here's a couple more angles of the vehicle so you can see how it looked before I spray painted it. Using corrugated plastic pipe, otherwise known as Copex, I punched cable ties through the card to secure this. These were perfect for the noticeable sweeping circuits that run along the side of the DeLorean. They were terminated just above the wheels. The polystyrene was used to develop the trunk, that's a boot, and the Mr. Fusion device, and other small details that seemed DeLorean worthy. See, we're getting close now, we just need some illumination. Rach had sought some micro fairy lights in the colours blue, white and red. She then set about highlighting some key areas of the car. Starting with the headlights, she punctured the wire through the card and encircled the headlights. She mounted the battery pack on the inside of the car. She used the color red for the backlights, running these the entire width of the vehicle. The final lighting array was the color blue, which she ran all the way along the bottom of the vehicle to underlight it. We now just needed a way to wear this. I used some shoestring and some padding and attached these to the cardboard bars. Now we just needed a dock, and we found a costume on eBay for £20. And there you have it. For a minimum budget and just a little bit of time, we had ourselves our very own Dr. Emmett Brown all ready for our Halloween party. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.